Hello and welcome to the very first episode of my weekly AI video news. If you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or decision maker trying to figure out how to actually use AI to grow your business, you're in the right place. I will be sharing the latest news in the AI space and what tools you can use to supercharge your marketing with the help of AI. Hi, I'm Rito Wolf, founder of Mighty Acorn Marketing. I've spent the past 25 years in marketing where I've worked across the full spectrum, from startups to some of the world's most recognized brands. Companies like Coca-Cola, IBM, and MasterCard trusted me to help shape their brands and manage marketing. But this is not actually me talking. I've written the content, yes, but the delivery comes from my digital twin. Why am I using a digital twin? Like I said, this channel is about helping you to supercharge your business with the help of AI, so I'm using the tools I recommend to you myself. My twin, though, lets me produce more content quicker and be much more efficient. Plus, I can skip bad hair days too. Later in this channel, I will also introduce my assistant, Amy. But let's dive in. Over the years in marketing, I noticed that small and medium businesses are often left behind when it comes to adopting new marketing technology. But with AI, this ever-widening gap between the big corporate and small businesses can finally be closed, and if you know how to use the tools right, you can much more effectively and efficiently compete with the bigger players in your industry. So with this channel, I'm going to help you stay ahead. I will translate the fast-moving world of AI and digital marketing into clear, actionable strategies that small business owners can actually use. Here's the truth. There's never been a better time to be in business than right now. AI has leveled the playing field. The same technology that global enterprises are using is now accessible, affordable, and practical for businesses of any size. It's only a matter of time until we see the first 1 billion one-person business. Each week I'll bring you the latest AI news, practical tool reviews, and hands-on strategies. You'll learn how to scale your marketing, attract more customers, and grow your business without needing a full-time marketing department, a research agency, or massive budgets. So please join me in this journey and subscribe to my channel to never miss an episode that could change the outcome of your business and your life. Today, let's kick off this first episode with exactly what you came for. The top AI marketing tools right now in June 2025, and I'll break it down tool by tool, what it does, why it's useful, how much it costs, and the free alternatives you can consider. Here are the tools that small businesses should know about and start using right now. Okay, let's start with ChatGPT from OpenAI. Probably the tool that most of you have already heard, but what is ChatGPT, and more importantly, how can you leverage it? ChatGPT is the AI assistant that powers a wide range of marketing tasks, from customer service to content creation. It's multimodal, which means it can understand text, images, documents, and even some video inputs. As a small business owner, you can use ChatGPT 4.0 to write your blog posts, newsletters, and social media captions. You can draft customer emails and proposals much faster. It's also excellent for brainstorming marketing ideas or analyzing customer feedback and product reviews. Think of it like a junior content writer. It might need your editing, but 90% of the content is written for you in seconds, not hours, days, or weeks. The subscription for ChatGPT Plus is currently $20 per month. If you're just getting started, OpenAI offers a free tier with limited usage. But to get you started and practice your first prompts, the free version is great. By the way, if you need help with prompts, I have a free prompt guide for you to get you started. If you want a copy, just write it in the comment section below and it's yours. Next up is Canva AI, also known as Canva Magic Studio. Canva integrates several AI-powered tools: Magic Write, Magic Edit, AI image generation, and video editing. With Canva AI, you can create professional-level graphics, ads, flyers, and even videos without hiring a designer. I'm using Canva for most of my graphic design needs. I'm not a coder or have all the required software, but Canva has templates for practically everything. The platform automatically resizes designs for different social media platforms, and you can generate entire social media content calendars in just minutes. The Canva Pro subscription costs around $15 per month per user. But like ChatGPT, Canva offers a free plan which has limited AI features, but is certainly the way to get started until you get the hang of it and think you need more features. Adobe Express is another free alternative, though its AI features are more limited at the free level. Now let's talk about Jasper AI, the third tool. Jasper is a writing assistant fine-tuned for marketing copy, ads, and SEO-optimized content. So if you are advertising your business, Jasper is an essential tool to get the copy right every time. With Jasper, you can write website copy and landing pages. You can generate Facebook and Google ad copy that's optimized to convert, and you can create blog posts that are structured to rank better on search engines. The basic plan starts at $39 per month. If you're looking for a free option, AI offers a basic free plan. You can also use chatgpt 4.0 for content drafting if you're already subscribing to it, although I believe Jasper is more powerful and suited to that. By the way, links to all the tools are found in the description. I'm only recommending tools I use myself personally, but I want to be fully transparent. For some of the tools I mentioned today, I may receive a small commission if you decide to sign up through my affiliate links. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps support the work I'm doing to bring you this content each week. Next is HubSpot AI tools. HubSpot has integrated AI across its CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. They also AI into their marketing automation platform to simplify customer management. If you are already using email marketing in your business, I highly recommend HubSpot, as you can automate your email marketing campaigns. You can personalize customer interactions based on behavior and preferences, for example, and you can analyze customer data to improve your targeting and increase conversions. The Starter CRM suite from HubSpot begins at about $20 per month. More advanced AI features are available in the higher tier plans. For a free alternative, you can look at Zoho CRM's free tier or MailChimp's free plan, which offers basic email automation and some AI features as well. Next is Opus Clip 2.0. This tool repurposes long-form video content into short, social media-ready clips using AI. Depending on your business and if you're already producing video content, Opus Clip 2.0 is essential. If you don't use video, I highly recommend to start. Video is what people consume and a great way to stand out. I mean, you are watching my video now, so why not use video for your business too? But Opus Clip 2.0 is not just a video editor. You can also take webinars, podcasts, or interviews and turn them into short-form content for TikTok, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Opus Clip automatically adds captions, selects highlights, and formats your clips for each platform. The subscription costs around $19 per month. The script offers a free plan with some video editing capabilities. CapCut is another free option, though its AI features are a bit more limited. So if video is your thing, go with Opus Clip 2.0. Next is Midjourney version 7. This is an AI-powered image generation tool that creates high-end creative visuals for advertising, social media, and branding. So while Canva is used to create the designs, Midjourney can generate unique product images. It feels like Midjourney gets better every couple of months, and it's so exciting to see what's coming next. The subscription starts at around $10 per month and operates through Discord. As a free alternative, Microsoft Designer offers a free tier that includes AI image generation, but in my opinion it isn't on the same playing field. Leonardo.ai also offers limited free credits each month, so you can experiment without cost to see if you need an image generation tool or not. And finally, let's look at Perplexity AI Pro. This is an AI-powered research assistant that combines real-time web search with AI summarization. It is essentially your own research department at a fraction of the cost what research used to cost. You can use it for market research, competitor analysis, and gathering quick business intelligence. Perplexity AI Pro can delve deeper into complex topics, providing detailed answers and supporting them with cited sources, which is crucial for informed decision-making. The subscription is about $20 per month. As a free alternative, you can manually combine Google Search with ChatGPT's free version, but I prefer Perplexity any day. U.com also offers AI-powered search with a free plan. So let's quickly recap. ChatGPT 4.0 helps with content creation and analysis at $20 a month. Canva AI simplifies design and video work for $15 a month. Jasper AI focuses on marketing copy starting at $39 a month. HubSpot AI automates CRM and marketing for around $20 a month. Opus Clip repurposes your video content for $19 a month. Midjourney creates AI-generated images for $10 a month. And Perplexity AI Pro handles your research tasks for $20 a month. Free alternatives are available for each, so you can get started even on a tighter budget, and I recommend the free trials to ensure you need the tools first. But with these tools, you pay a fraction of the price you used to have to fork out for content writer, graphic designers, video editors, advertising and social media agencies, research departments, etc. If you were to get all the tools I recommended in this video, you would pay under $150 a month, but have a range of tools at your fingertips that will make a significant difference. The key takeaway is simple. You no longer need huge teams or massive budgets to run highly effective marketing. AI is your leverage. The real challenge isn't getting access to the tools, it's knowing which ones to use and how. That's exactly what I'll cover here every single week. If you found this helpful, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join me as we explore the best ways to grow your business with AI. And if you have questions or want me to review a specific tool, drop it in the comments. I actually read them, not my AI twin, and I'm happy to do a video just like this one. Until next time, stay curious, stay efficient, and stay ahead.